Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege now to welcome a very eminent speaker today, Professor Eric David, who is the Professor Emeritus of International Law in Brussels. Please give a big welcome to Professor Eric David.
I'm always very impressed when I see how much organization goes into this, from the Mujahideen organization, the People's Mujahideen organization, and the Iranian resistance, which shows that when you take power in Iran, which I hope will be very soon, I know that you have the right attitude to take the bull by the horns. Don't worry, I haven't come here to explain this to you. I can see myself on the screen, it's quite... You can see I'm losing my hair, it's horrible, I'm sorry. But I'm here to talk to you about what's my cup of tea. What's in my domain. So we're talking about law. When you see the figures, 120,000 murders since 1981 rather, as well as several imprisonments since 1988. Why? For political reasons, but also for religious reasons. Why? Because a lot of these activists from the PMOI were tried on religious grounds. This is the double reason that these executions can be classified, legally speaking, technically speaking, as crimes against humanity when we're talking about assassinating and executing people for political reasons. And it wouldn't be going too far to talk about genocide when we talk about religious reasons leading to assassinations. Why? Because if you are killing someone because they are of their religious faith or for apostasy, and if you are carrying out these types of killings because you want a people or an ethnic minority to disappear for religious reasons, this can be classified as genocide when taking into consideration the Convention of 1948. And because of this, it is inevitable to talk about violations that could be tried in any court around the world. The ICC, the International Criminal Court, is not the competent body. Why? Because it hasn't been sent the file, but if the Security Council of the United Nations decided to do so, the International Criminal Court could come into play. But even before this, even before the idea to put into place an international legal jurisdiction, we are talking about crimes against humanity, or the crimes of genocide, which aren't only crimes recognized by all states and governments across the globe. And because this is the case, every single state and government must pursue and must try Iran. We're talking about killings for religious and political reasons. The 120,000 assassinations and those who are the perpetrators of these crimes must be brought before a court of law. And maybe this is naive of me, but I believe that justice will be rendered. Thank you very much.